Hello, hi guys, myself Advocate Meenakshi Datta, currently working as junior law student in LEXIS and Company. Today I want to draw your attention over invoking criminal jurisdiction in civil cases or commercial in nature. So in India, if any case has some ingredients where it is reflected that the concerned parties has been affected also regarding the commission of offence by the other party, the civil jurisdiction invoked by the said party in another court in regarding any other case is not going to bar him to avail the relief from the criminal court regarding the commission of offences punishable under Indian Penal Code with him. So if any case is prima facie criminal in nature and also commercial in nature, the extracting relief under the criminal or the civil law is not be termed as a lacuna or a restraint from availing relief therein. Thank you.